In this video, we will discuss microbiology. To begin, let's first discuss what a pathogen is. A pathogen is either a microorganism or a virus that can cause disease. The virus is a non-living pathogen that infects a host cell. First off, the virus attaches itself to a cell, and then it inserts its DNA. So, here we have the virus, and it inserts the DNA into the host. Next, the DNA instructs the host cell to build new virus cells inside of itself in order to reproduce and create new viruses. The virus has a capsid, or a shell, that houses the DNA and also can serve as an attachment point. The process that the host cell goes through is called the lytic cycle. However, the virus can also have its DNA enact the lysogenic cycle, which is very similar, but it takes a lot longer, and the DNA is only triggered by very specific stimuli. Viruses can also attach to a variety of cells. Most of them are animal, but a virus that attaches to a bacterium is called a bacteriophage. Alright. Despite the very lifelike way that viruses behave, they cannot be alive because they do not reproduce without outside assistance. In this case, that would be the poor host cell. Now, not all life is over should you be infected with the virus. There are a multitude of ways that you can assist your body in fighting off its invaders. Firstly, you can see, guess what? A doctor about your illness. They can prescribe some drugs that can assist your immune system in fighting off the virus. These drugs can do a variety of things, one of which would be weakening the virus cells by destroying their capsids, for instance. The best way to fight viral infections, though, is definitely through prevention. One of these could easily be a vaccine. I know we hate all getting shots, but a vaccine has the virus and the capsid of the virus, more importantly, except it doesn't have any of that viral DNA that makes it all bad. Without the viral DNA, none of this can take place. So, it's kind of like a training program for your immune system, preparing it for whenever you actually get infected. By being able to attack the capsids in the virus, your immune system can prepare for an infection by allowing it to observe the capsids in the virus. By being able to attack the capsids, the body reveals the virus's DNA, which can then be destroyed by the rest of the immune system. Viral infections, however, are not the only infection. Bacteria and other single-celled organisms can also infect you. A bacterial illness can occur when some kinds of unwelcome bacteria enter your body, then begin to multiply faster than your immune system can kill them. So more and more. Bacterial infections are mostly easier to spot, and most can't remain in the body for long without being detected. The best way to fight a bacterial infection is to, again, consult your doctor and see what they prescribe you. They could give you drugs that weaken the bacteria's outer cell wall, or they could give you supplements that help your immune system in things that you are deficient in. Often, depending on the infection, antibiotics are most common because they weaken the bacteria so that your immune system can kill them easier. Bacilli are a kind of bacterium that are rod-shaped. Cocci are bacteria that are spherical in shape. And finally, Spirilla are spiral-like bacteria. Thanks for watching.